so that so if you see that we're going to see the all templates here one by one. All the templates you can see here are present, so just choose one of the templates. For example, first of all we want to see all the templates, so we have clicked on the template section, and after clicking on the template section, now we have to choose, for example, that one, and after choosing that one, we have to make the changings. So click here, and now you can see finally it has been selected, and after that now going to change the all the so if you want to so that so that so that yeah so that now just keep changing the font style, going to the font section, and click on that one, and now make the significant changes to the text. For example, happy life. Okay, now you have to smallize it, place it here, now again selecting it and placing it here, and after that we have to keep on axing here, and after that you have to change the format, and as soon as the format you change, so that finally it has been selected, and now we are spread love and peace, underline it, and after that change the color. For example, go to the color section and make the changes to the color, so that it so that it so that so that so that so change the below color, and after that you can see the color, the different colors here, so different colors changing here. Now we are going to make the color again change. For example, if you want to change the color for that, I think we can also make the changing. So go to the download section and click on the download and the save finally, and finally you can see now the design is going to be prepared. Now the design is going to be ready. Finally it has been prepared, and now it has been get it already, so you can see here